I always knew living next to an HOA could be a headache, but I never expected them to literally dig into my property. It started subtly. At first, it was just construction noise from the neighboring subdivision, Pinecrest Hills. Then I noticed something strange. Trucks with heavy drilling rigs appearing along my property line. One afternoon, I walked over and saw Karen, the self-proclaimed HOA president, directing a crew to drill well after well, right on my land. 10 of them. When I confronted her, she laughed like it was a prank. "Relax," she said. "We own this area. We can drill wherever we want." "You're being territorial?" I blinked. "Territorial? This is my property." "You'll see," she smirked, waving a blueprint. "You won't even profit from it. HOA rules trump private land when it's necessary for the community." I left fuming but calm. I knew she didn't understand one thing. I understood land law and energy rights better than she realized. That week, I did my homework. I contacted the county, the state mineral rights office, and a savvy oil attorney. Within days, I purchased the mineral and oil rights to my land, retroactively giving me legal claim over every drop beneath the surface. The next morning, I sent formal notices to the HOA. Their wells, on my land, their profits, now legally mine. I even secured a lien for all revenue they had generated from the wells since construction began. Karen called me in a panic, screaming about how this was impossible. The HOA board held an emergency meeting. The lawyer showed up. The accountant tallied the numbers. By the end of the week, all 10 wells were producing revenue directly into my account. The HOA tried to challenge it. They spent tens of thousands in legal fees, but the court sided with me. Drilling without ownership of mineral rights? Illegal. The look on Karen's face the next time she tried to swagger onto my property? Priceless. She had literally spent months profiting off my land, only for me to flip the entire operation overnight. Now I watch my fields in peace, the rigs humming and every payout notification reminding me. Sometimes the quietest revenge is the most profitable.